Some users have said that they see a pop-up message saying current location not available. Your current location cannot be determined at this time when they want to use location services. This error message indicates that location services on your iPad is not working, and it is important to fix this issue because some apps, Maps, Google Maps, Weather, Find My, etc., may not work properly when your location cannot be found. It appears that both iPad and iPad Pro models may be affected by this problem. Before continuing, ensure that your iPad has the latest version of iPad OS. Settings, General, Software Update. Method 1. Check location services. The first thing you should do is to check if location services is enabled on your iPad. On your iPad, go to Settings, Privacy, Location Services, and ensure that Location Services is on. If your location services was already on, turn it off, wait a few seconds and then turn it on. Method 2. Check app settings. If you are seeing this message while you are trying to use certain apps, calendar, maps, etc., make sure that location services is on for that app. On your iPad, go to Settings, Privacy, Location Service. You will see a list of apps. Find your problematic app and ensure that it is set to while using the app. Furthermore, restart the app that gives the error message. Here is how. Go to your home screen. Swipe up from the bottom and pause in the middle. If your iPad has a home button, you may double press the home button. Find the app, swipe up on the app and then open it again and then test it. And lastly, you may want to remove the app and then reinstall it. Simply touch and hold the app until it jiggles, then tap delete. Then open the App Store app on your iPad, find the app and download, install it. Method 3. Check the date, time, and time zone. Go to Settings, General, Date and Time. Ensure that your settings are correct. If not, correct them. Please also enable the Set Automatically option. Method 4. Reset location services. If you are still having this problem, you may want to reset your location settings to the factory default. On your iPad, tap Settings, General, Reset and tap Reset Location and Privacy and then follow the on-screen instructions. Method 5. Reset your network settings. You may want to reset your network settings. When you do that, all of your network settings, your Wi-Fi passwords, etc., will be erased. Go to Settings, General, Reset Network Settings. Your device will restart.